Hey guys, it's Betsy. I was gonna say I don't have anything better to do right now than to make this video, but that's such a lie. I have so many things that I need to do, and I'm just like not gonna do them right now because I really don't want to. So I thought I would show you guys the super simple, everyday makeup routine for December. It's super festive. I'm so excited to show you guys exactly what it is. It's definitely like an everyday look. Anybody can do this, super simple. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows because that's a necessity no matter what month it is. My eyebrows just like are non-existent if I don't fill them in. I honestly like every night I don't even always take off all of my eyebrow makeup because I'm really insecure about it, but it's fine. It's okay. Also, I wanted to apologize for the lighting in this video. I just don't have a good makeup setup, and like I'm not a beauty guru with a ton of disposable income, so I can't really make a better setup. But if you guys want to help me out with that, then subscribe to my channel and maybe I can get some like cool lights and a tripod or something. How sick would that be? Cool, we have eyebrows. I love that. Okie dokie. I've already moisturized, so I don't think I need to do that again right now, but I am going to put some zit cream on this thing because she's ugly and we want her to go. That is too much. I got too much on my head right there. Just like don't like having acne. I don't have it that bad, and I'm so lucky for that. Like it's just such an insecure feeling you have when your face isn't like how you think it should look, and honestly it's a little frustrating. Next, concealing the under eyes, because another like really big insecurity of mine is just like my under eyes seem super dark constantly and I don't know how to fix it. Maybe if my diet was better and I actually like ate vegetables, that would probably help. I did eat a salad for dinner last night, so I'm pretty proud. This part is pretty simple. It's just like your normal base makeup. This isn't really anything special with the whole festive December makeup. I'm so excited for Christmas, guys. I just love the Christmas season, although I don't know if it's just me, but I get more excited about just like everything that revolves around it being Christmas time, and then once Christmas actually comes, I just get like really sad that it's all gonna be over pretty soon, because then it's just like nothing. And it's just so much like stuff that I don't necessarily need. Like I didn't really ask for anything this year, so I don't know. I just don't need a bunch of stuff. I just like watching Christmas movies and the Christmas spirit and everybody seems happier and it's just nice. Time for powder. Where is my powder? Okay, now onto the good stuff. The eye makeup. So for this, I'm using two eyeshadow palettes, but like you don't need these eyeshadow palettes, just use whatever you have. I'm using this one for this like, where is it? That color, just like a nice light brown color. And then I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Naughty palette from I think like 2 years ago. I saw this and I was obsessed with it when I saw it because like it just looks so Christmassy to me. And then I didn't buy it until it was on sale after Christmas because like why would I spend that much money on it? And honestly, these colors are not very usable. So like that kind of sucks for me, you know? But it's fine because we're using it all of December. Are you ready? Why is my dog barking? Okay, I'll be back. It's the mailman, so I have to wait until he walks away so I can go get the presents. Well, maybe they're not presents. Maybe they're just like things, but you know, we'll see. My dog's not barking, so it's safe. Let's continue. Ah! I fell off my chair. So let's take this light brown color and we're just gonna put this in the crease sparingly. Because the brown isn't the focus, it's just to make it look a little bit more natural. Natural. Now is when we move on to this palette, and I'm going to take this bright red color and we're kind of going to put this everywhere, you know? All over the lid, we're going to blend it into the crease. Wow, one thing I love about this Kylie Jenner palette is just how patchy everything goes on. It's like, wow, love that. This is the only Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow palette I have, and I'm never buying another one. I like her bronzers. I have a good like bronzer highlighter duo thing from her, and I like that. It's pretty decent. Okay, so here's where we are right now. If you just wanted to make it look like you were sick so you could stay home from school, you can stop watching here. This is the perfect look for that. If you do want it to be a little bit more festive, keep watching because it gets better. Now I'm going to go into this like darker red color, and I'm going to put this in more of the outer corner area so it looks like I have dimension and I don't have pink eye. It just looks like I got beat up, so it's perfect. A little better, less bright. Now I'm going to take my finger, put it into that bright red shade, and just put it on my lid, so hopefully it goes on. Oh, I got it under my eye. Don't want it to look like my eye is bleeding. Just put it on the lid so it hopefully shows up less patchy. Now I am going to go back into this palette for this like darker brown color because I do want to deepen up the outer corner just a little bit so it's less red. Now I'm going to go into this dark green color, my favorite color, and we're going to put this on our lower lash line. We're going to take it in to just about where your eyeball ends and that little like red part in the corner starts because I think that just is the perfect amount. A good trick if you want to make the green stand out a little bit more is take your brush, dip it into some white, and then blend it out with that. See, it helps like brighten it up. It's not as dark. You get more of like a I'm awake and I'm not dead look. Super nice. Now before we do any other eyeshadow, I am going to move on to eyeliner really quick. I have this green eyeliner. We're just going to do some wings on either side with that, which you're not going to watch me do that because that's going to just be so boring. One done. It looks bad, but so does the rest of our face. Sweet, we have two green wings. Are they even? No, they look completely different, but that's okay. They're cousins, not siblings. Now I want to go in with this super pretty gold glittery color and put this on my lid. I'm just gonna use my finger and we're just gonna push that on there and it's gonna be super cute. Ooh, glittery, love it. Love her. It's hard to see, but don't worry, I'll try to get better shots later. I'm gonna go into this super like metallic silver shade. I'm going to put this on my brush and we're just going to put this right in the inner corner. Really brighten it up, get you that perfect Tin Man look. Look at how bright and shiny we are in a good way. Now I feel like there's not enough glitter in this look yet, so I'm going to take this glitter eyeliner that I got from Ulta last year. It's called the Glitter Tears liner. It definitely makes you want to cry. Delicious. And the other side. She's looking feisty. Now we'll put on our mascara. Again, you don't need to watch me put on mascara. I'm sure you've seen mascara before. I just got mascara all over my eyelid. But it's fine. It's part of the look, you know? It helps everything just look really cohesive and perfect. There you go. There's our mascara. How are our eyes looking? Absolutely gorgeous, you know? And we're almost done, so I'm just gonna throw on some blush really quick before we get to the final step. Our last step is what really pulls this whole look together. So we're just gonna give ourselves some cute little snow freckles so that, you know, it just looks a little cuter, you know, like we just stepped outside into a snow flurry. Of course, I live in Florida, but if you live in the north, it definitely looks more natural. I love this part. I think it makes it the perfect thing to wear when you're going out to like the grocery store, Walmart especially. It's just like the perfect addition to your everyday winter makeup routine, you know? I think this is a super cute festive look. I'm just really down with it. I think it looks adorable on anyone, any day of the week. School, yes. Walmart, yes. I just think this is like the perfect wearable look for any day. Any day, any event, any party that you're going to. Again, just going to the grocery store, family dinner, a lunch to Panera. You can really wear this anywhere and it looks perfect. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!